Soothing sunburns with natural products. Sunburn is something that most of us feel at one time or another in our lives. While there may be a great deal of media coverage on the crucial necessity for sunscreen to decrease our risk for skin cancer and to improve our overall health, decrease signs of aging, many of us will actually go outside without thinking to apply it. Sunburn can be incredibly painful and last for several days. It often makes it hard to play, sit and sleep. There are several things that you can do at home to help decrease the pain, relieve the burning and bring a sigh of relief to those who suffer. The first thing you can try is spritzing a 50-50 solution of white vinegar and water to help soothe the burns. While it may not smell the best, it will help to cool the burn. Be sure to use white vinegar and not apple cider vinegar or any other cider vinegar. Alternatively, you can also try 3 cups of white vinegar in a bathtub full of cool water. Soak in it for 15 minutes and you'll probably receive hours of sunburn relief. Eucalyptus oil is another home remedy that can be used for sunburn relief. In a clean spray bottle, mix a couple of drops of eucalyptus oil with 1 egg white and water. Shake this vigorously to mix the contents together. The egg white will help the oil stay mixed in the water. Spray it all over for a calm cooling sensation to ease the pain. Tea is a home remedy that can be used for many different things, one of which is soothing of sunburn. Brew 6 bags of tea in 2 cups of water. Cool this in the refrigerator and once cooled, spray it onto the burned skin. Alternatively, you might brew 6 bags of tea in 1.5 cups of water and then once finished add in several cubes of ice to cool the tea immediately. You might also take several tea bags and throw them in the bathtub. Let the water cool down and then soak for 15 minutes. Remember that tea will stain, so use an old towel to dry off with and an old towel to stand on. Lemon juice used to be used by young girls who wanted to bleach their hair in the sun, but it's actually a wonderful way of cooling the skin after a sunburn. Mix 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice with 2 cups of water and spray it all over. Be sure to keep this out of your eyes. Aloe plants has long been known for burn relief and is one of the best known natural treatments for sunburn. There are bottles of aloe products commercially available, but if you have the plant in the house, natural is better. Cold whole milk is another natural remedy for sunburn. You can soak cloth or cotton gauze and carefully apply it to the burned skin for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Alternatively, you can also fill a tub with water and mix that with a gallon of whole milk and soak in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Remember that if you have open areas or blisters from the sunburn, you should not use any product that is acidic because it will decrease the healing time and actually make the burn heal more slowly. Use products that are pH neutral such as white vinegar, aloe, milk or tea. And the next time, remember the sunscreen. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.